Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from College Dunia. Today I am at Gokul Global University, which is located in Siddhpur, right, Gujarat. Today we are having with us Ashish Sen Gupta sir. He is a CFO at Gokul Global University. Hello sir, welcome
Hello,
to Graduation
hello.
Protocol College. Hello sir.
Myself, Ashish Sen Gupta. I am doing as a CFO in Gokul University from 2018. Before GGU, I associated with Marwar University. Right now in Gokul University, we have 6,000 students, and in current year we are thinking about to do admission more than 2,500. So we are planning for 8,500 and 9,000 students. In Gokul University, we are providing facilities to students, hostel, transportation, and other. Uh, Regarding hostel, we are providing food, lodging, and gym, etc. with a minimum fees of 50,000 rupees, which is very less in North Gujarat or all over Gujarat. In the case of transportation, we are not charging so much amount for transportation. We are just charging upon the student travel to the kilometers for Palanpur, Patan, etc. We are not doing any profit earning from these facilities. In hostel also, we are providing gymnasium, medical facilities. In every week, doctors came to visit and check up the students. In the case of tuition fee, actually, I haven't idea about the in North Gujarat or all over Gujarat. We are the less fee taker university all over the Gujarat. We are taking 50% of fees charged by the university. According to our university or UGC planning, we have to fix our fee through fee regulatory committee. In the case of engineering, for example, they fix our fee 74,000, but we are charging only 37,000 to students. In the case of all diploma, degree, and everything, so you are almost a 50% scholarship providing to students. In other way, we have also special scholarship that for females for first year free. If you are admitted in Gokul University, if any female candidate get first year free scholarship. We are also providing such scholarship like if the student is meritorious, if the student came from economical background section, our CMD sir, our president sir is providing financial help to those students. From last 2 years, we are giving 70 lakhs to a 1 crore scholarship every year. We are doing here for our system, we are doing ERP development system. All the systems, suppose fees collection, purchase, HR, MIS are doing from ERP system. We have all the facilities of collection through cash collection, check. You can pay the fees through UPI. You can pay the fees Paytm. Every sector we are providing students. For the development of faculties, we know that the faculties are the backbone of the university or the education section. To promote our faculties and other principals, we are doing research development program, and we sanction 1 crore every year for the research and development. Anything else?
Okay sir. So moving right to questionnaire session sir.
Right.
My first question to is
Yeah.
any insights into how your university could be more welcoming to students of different races or economic backgrounds?
We are right now we are a grooming university. We are doing so much opportunity for the placement, sports and culture developments that attracts students from India, all over India, other states, and as well as from the outside of country. We are starting more online sessions and other research development type courses that student can earn very speedily within a course of 6 months. They can earn and learn both.
Very nicely explained about the question, sir. So moving right to next question, sir.
Yeah.
What are some plans that you are currently designing for Gokul Global University for international affairs and students?
For international affairs, we are doing MOUs with the international companies and other industries, MNCs. That India is a population of 130 crore publics. Then, if the students studying here can do the entrepreneurship program, they can earn here. They haven't go to China or any other country. They can do studies and they can do make any products and sell here. That's our motto.
Okay, very nice, sir. So jumping to the last question, sir.
Yeah.
Any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth or the aspiring students? Any suggestions, sir?
Not for the youth only, for the all the people of India and students who are studying. I should suggest them to do the financial knowledge should be a major portion of the public. The most of our students or the manpower, they haven't the economical idea or financial idea. They are instead of share market, no, this is a type of arbitrage. No, you should have an idea about the financial planning, monetary planning. You know, our mother, our sister haven't any banking system. They haven't idea about the banking. If you are going to cash deposit, please fill up the form. They graduate, they have done their master degrees, but they cannot fill up the banks. So I wish that every person in India have the financial background and the financial knowledge for the development of themselves and also the country.
Very well said, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, thank you so much for giving such
you very
informative
much.
information about Gokul.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir. Thank you, sir.